Friends, today we are going to be working on lesson 3.7, Properties of Polygons. So go ahead and write that down at the top of your notebook page. So as we take a look at these different shapes, I asked myself, what category could I put all of them into? So as I'm spreading out my shapes, I want you to be spreading out your shapes as well. I'm taking a look at what do all of them have? Okay. So go ahead and write your header down for what you think the category is that all of these would fit into. Okay, I hope you've written it down. I'm looking here and it's polygons, right? They're all different types of polygons. Okay, so right now in your notebook, I want you to write down a definition for polygons. And then you can check your understanding. So go ahead and pause right here and write down for me what makes these shapes all polygons. So after you've written your definition, then you can unpause the video. Okay, so I hope that you've written your definition for polygons. Now I want you to pause the video again and take a look at page 142 in your student reference book. And I want you to look at your definition for what a polygon is based off of the additional information on page 142 and possibly revise your statement. So go ahead and pause right here and read page 142. Should look just like that. Okay, so pause right here and revise your definition for a polygon. You can unpause once you're ready. Okay, by now I hope that you've revised your definition of a polygon. Today we're going to be looking at sorting polygons by different rules. You're going to be playing a game called Polygon Capture, in which you'll identify the geometric properties of polygons and sort them into different categories. So right now I'm going to sort mine into a category, and I want you to just watch me on this one and see if you can figure out my sorting rule. Okay, so I'm ignoring that phone call right now. I am putting these into one category and these other ones into a different category. So I've got concave, don't I? And the rest of these are convex. So I want you to take your shapes and go ahead and sort yours into 3 different ways. Record that into your notebook. So what I would do to record this into my notebook would be I would take these and I would simply just write the category in the letters rather than drawing all of those shapes. Okay, so I had concave, and those were polygon N and polygon I. Then I had convex, that's polygon H, C, L, A, F, B, P, M, K, D, G, E, O, and J. Okay, so in your notebook, you need to record 3 additional ways to sort your polygons. I'm going to erase here and write down some possible rules you might think of for sorting categories. Some different properties I want you to really kind of focus on. You don't need to choose mine. You can make up your own, but I kind of just want to give you a bank of choices to get your mind going. So go ahead and spread your polygons out. Okay, you might look at a category like at least 2 sides are parallel. Remember, parallels, they go on forever and ever, like train tracks without intersecting. I think about the double L in parallel to remind myself of that. Okay, you might think about at least 1 angle is greater than 90 degrees. Okay, so those are just 2 choices to get your minds going a little bit, but you need to record in your notebook 3 different ways that you can sort your polygons. All right, friends, thank you.